Hi. So today I was gonna make a painting video, but then I was like, no, because I was going through YouTube and I saw this video, and it was just like DIYs and stuff. And I was like, oh, I can make this. So as I was getting the materials for the first DIY, I realized that I don't even have simple materials like tape. So, well, like not the type of tape that she used, but it's also like really easy to find. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, today I'm making DIYs that I saw in a YouTube video. Okay, so the first DIY I'm making are these little stickers. Well, these aren't stickers, but I'm gonna make them into stickers. So I have some little mushrooms, some like the SpongeBob things, I'm pretty sure, and I have Ice Bear. I think Ice Bear might be too big. I know. But yeah. the video. It was kind of fun filming this. I had a lot of fun. I don't mind the noise in the background. So now I gotta go put all this stuff up. I hope you liked it. Bye.